Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the second generation of the 16-bit Sega Mega Drive or Sega Genesis in some countries. This console is a redesign from the original Mega Drive and it was released around 1993. I have this console when I was younger and my friends and I have for sure thousands of hours played on this machine. Now, as you can see, the console itself is pretty used and beaten up, full of scratches, marks all around the place. However, it still works fine. As for the controller, it is in much better shape, with only few marks and some dirty. I also have some cool games to test it out and experience again some 90s happiness. So, as always, have a seat, relax, and join me in one more video. Stick around. First, as we always do, let's take it apart and take a look inside. The console is done, let's take it apart the controller too. And with all the parts disassembled, it's now time for a nice bath with soap and hot water. We're gonna wash all the plastic parts from the console and from the controller. The wash is done. It's now time to begin the customize. For this project, we're gonna need some primary, some ice white for base color and some gold for some details. The first step is done. All the parts are now with one coat of the primary applied. And now, while the primary is still set, we're gonna clean the rest of the internal components. As always, never forget to clean the cables. It's also very important. Clean done, we can now move forward to the second step of the paint. A couple coats of white and some gold for the details. I also apply some silver spray to the internal shields, they are looking much better now. And while the paint's still set, I move on to the computer and try to replicate some of the logos and cut it out on a vinyl cut machine that I bought. Now let's wait for the result and start apply them. And this, as you can see, is all the logos now applied. It's looking good, not perfect, but that will do. And with all that done, it's now time to reassemble this machine once again. First, the top cover, power and reset buttons. After that, the cartridge mechanism cover. Now, the bottom shield and next to it, the motherboard. Next is the top shield and all the screws. Now we can install the top case. And the last part on the console is the side door cover and all the rubber fits. Console done, let's move on to the controller. First, all the buttons and internal membranes. Next, the PCB, and after that, the rear cover. And we're done. And this is it. One of the most marking consoles of my childhood, now restored and customized. I think the white color with some gold details came out amazing. I have this idea in my head a couple months ago and I think the final result is really cool. The vinyl cutting machine is a nice add-on to the channel. I think now I can improve my projects and take them to a whole new level. And as always, all we have to do is plug it in and finally have some 90s feelings again. Let's play. And this is all for today. Another nostalgic video that make me missing my childhood. But that's life. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. If you want to see more, please consider subscribe, leave a like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.